Friend, we finally arrived.
我聽聞呢度係一個西部採礦嘅小鎮嚟㗎。
Correct. We've arrived to the west side of America. This is like the gold rush towns of California.
西部嘅市鎮都比較乾燥，唔怪得知呢度嘅葉同埋花都比較細小，幫佢哋儲存水分㗎。
See, the planting style here is also dotted planting. The leaves, they're also very thin and they're sharp and needle-shaped. Look, there is the Chinese holy tree and the fountain grass too.
哦，仲有龍舌蘭同埋柏子木啊！懸紅100竹拿小鬼導彈幫領袖。
It looks like we have a chance to win a prize.
我哋一路行一路揾啦。由於呢個城鎮係1888年建立，而家已經有130年嘅歷史。你睇下啲樹幹，好粗啊，好似老人家啲皺紋咁。
This is the camphor tree. Wow, this town is affluent. They actually have a hotel, a bank, and a saloon.
哇！所以喺呢度有人住嘅地方，都係好多唔同植物喎。
Oh, and on the other side of the canyon, around the Grizzly Gulch, they have a pine forest.
Friend， 你睇下呢張 poster， 同我哋嗰張差唔多樣㗎。
Do you think they're the prospectors here? Do you think they went to the mine cars for the gold nuggets?